Because, as I said before, it's
I
basically going in a vertical direction.
It's definitely going on YouTube.
Getting steadily more visible as it gets longer. But
Just somehow piece those three together.
I'll go over in this direction to begin with.
Then why the fuck
it begins to fan out in a more of a diagonal direction. Now, the hair is not
why would you do the guidelines if you're going to
at
just
this
draw over
stage
them?
yet, so I'm keeping my line.
I don't understand!
As I gradually work my way toward
He's got eyebrows.
But as you get up towards
Look at his
that's where the hair really starts to get long. And
I'm so
maybe I'll
confused. Mark Curly needs a beginner video.
On the ears.
Just smudge it over.
It
makes it
better. To divide into
the cat has better eyebrows than most girls.
I know, right?
Not me, I'm fabulous.
I'm loosely
You usually just go, I'm fabulous.
No, I can't find my hair.
Guideline that I put there at the
Are you computer? Air, cannot find my hair. Not a funny joke when you're me. Well, what?
Air!
I'm lapsing back. And what is with the English accent
fuck?
today? Why am something about kittens?
I don't understand, Mark.
Go English? I'm not sure.
Okay.
I know that the English love their pets. I was over there here, and I saw them taking walks.
Ow.
Walking the dogs all over the place.
Why the hell are you talking about dogs?
Mark, this has nothing to do with teaching people how to draw.
I was thinking the same thing.
No,
the
duh.
direction of the fur becomes
How to
important,
draw?
Especially cross here.
You can teach people to draw?
Further and further.
That's right.
You know,
My God.
to the right.
We forgot to do the earpiece thing right here.
Damn it!
Really start to
I already did that!
Stop!
You already did it on the other ear!
starts to detect a pattern of
Stop doing that!
pattern across here as it curves up towards the ears. And yeah, like I said, you know, there's no.
Who's it?
Hola.
Don't put it on speaker. Speaker!
What?
Yeah. We're so unprofessional. You talking about chicken?
What the fuck?
I don't know.
I'm in my room.
With me.
With Ellie.
We're doing a video.
What blonde?
Do that on your own paper.
I don't have any more ink.
Are you a squid
Don't worry
now?
about it.
Are you a squid? What? What is she doing? She talking about
We're so unprofessional.
Yep, we are. Why is one ear better than the other? I hate this. It's like, look at one side's way better than the other.
Why is one eye not better than the other?
Shut up!
Look at this damn drawing. I suck.
Line that I do, I'm going to have to skip over some parts.
I look so scared.
Basically, this gets you started on
What
that
the
fur
fuck?
area above, you know, in the forehead. I'm gonna
Doesn't a cat just have fur everywhere, you dumbass?
I was thinking the same thing.
My cat would just like...
Let me see at the very end if the cat has fur everywhere.
And
What the fuck?
this requires
How?
requires a good eraser and quite a lot of
A
patience.
good
Because sometimes you're gonna have to kind of work back in here to extra time on this polishing phase just to show you the possibilities when you're patient at the end.
I
of
can't
the
do
process.
this.
I'm not doing that.
Me either. I can't.
Wait. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. Ready? Ready?
Cat. Cat.
No! I'll work out myself. Pretty sure I know how to spell. Might not, though.
You should really have a bra on for this video.
I do.
You do? Oh my god. Congratulations, Ellie.
I wear a bra all the time.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. That's Blondie that doesn't. If Blondie sees this,
I know.
I really want to say something. Your vagina ball is staff. Okay, I'm so inappropriate. Anyways, I'm so inappropriate. It turned out spell cat myself.
My ankle. Leg.
You're so weird. You know, there's one person I'm certainly hoping that does not see this.
Yeah.
You know?
I think so.
No. Another person. No! I really don't care. Because
Boo?
Haley hates us now. No! Well, maybe for you, yes, but in your case.
Yeah.
My boo.
You don't have a boo.
Shut up.
Oh, that makes more sense now.
Yeah!
S.
Yeah.
Yay!
Did you just, like, slap me with your ponytail? Oh! My face!
I love you.
No, you don't! You hate me!
I love you. What the fuck? He's joking. He's so weird.
Hello? I can't get up. All they see is your legs. Face. What on earth happened to my hair? It was in a bun. Well, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. What? I don't know. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Oh, I did not have to. Can't.